To install ReferralCandy on your Shopify store, first go to the apps section in your Shopify dashboard and search for ReferralCandy. You'll be redirected to the Shopify App Store page, and then select the ReferralCandy app. Then click on Install, and once again, in the Install App button to integrate ReferralCandy with your Shopify store. Now just wait a few seconds while we create your ReferralCandy account. The last step is to select your pricing plan. You can choose between the Premium and Plus plans in both monthly and annual billing. You won't be charged anything right away since you have a 14-day free trial. Once you have selected your pricing plan, you'll need to click on Approve to approve the subscription on your Shopify dashboard. Remember, this will only activate your free trial. You won't be charged until the end of the free trial. And that's it. Welcome to ReferralCandy. You can now start setting up a referral program on your Shopify store.